We had to travel some bumpy roads to get here. But this is where Jordan and I are going to camp for a few nights. We've already seen fish jumping. Let's get her going. Camping in the rain, Jordan.
Classic.
We're living good though. And we made us not the fire pit we wanted, but it's working. Well, we made it through the first night. Pouring rain all night long.
Still raining.
Still raining now. There's our view. Nice lake way out there. We had been sitting under the tarps pretty much the whole time. And our trusty old Kelly kettle got us our breakfast this morning. Some oatmeal, and George's having there for breakfast.
Dehydrated creamy potato cheddar soup.
Oh, that sounds good. Look at those suckers. Second night here on Crownland, and we haven't seen the sunshine yet since we got here.
Nice.
Still having fun. We got this whole lake to ourselves. I can tell no one's been here for a very long time.
Nobody's camped here.
Nobody's ever camped here. We have seen no evidence of any campers here. So, and we are not telling you where this lake is, but we will show you what's for supper.
Oh yes.
begun. Here's camp life for you. Put your fire to the test out there.
Yeah.
Maple bacon. Muskoka North, farm fresh eggs. There's butter there, and some finely crafted bacon infused eggs, toasted English muffin, and we're finally getting some blue sky. Jordan and I was hiking through the woods where we're camping. First day with sunshine, so it's kind of nice to be out, but still kind of damp in the bush and the tall grass and whatnot.
Nice area.
Beautiful area. Looks like moose are inhabiting the most of this lake. I don't really see any other signs other than that deer. They're not getting any bigger.
That's pretty cool.
We're out here floating around in this lake and we're not being bothered by one bug. Fishing isn't that great. Wait for Jordan's bobber to go down there.
Yeah, brother.
So there's some largemouth bass and perch in this lake. They're not that big, but the perch aren't too bad if you can get a couple decent sized ones. The bass are fairly small. I haven't seen anything really big yet. We're not complaining. Once you see the view we have. Oh no! No way! That was a good fish, man.
Dude.
Oh man.
Heartbreaker.
Oh. And there's our dinner right there. Maybe there too. Best bass I could do out of this lake. I think Jord lost one a little bit bigger than this though. We've got dinner. Jord's got a bruiser. Yes.
Landed.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy.
And totally redeems himself. Wow,
Heck
do not
yeah,
drop
brother.
that guy.
Heck yeah.
That's a good one.
I think we should be good for time.
Nice. Oh yeah, that's what we've been waiting for.
Ooh, that's toasting.
How many oil on it?
Yeah.
That's
In
right.
between it.
Yeah.
It's nice when it's like a quick fry, right?
Mhm.
Don't want it in the oil that.
Well, we're wrapping up 3 nights in a back lake in northern Ontario. There's our sunset. Obviously, we lost our sun again for the 3rd night, but we're not complaining. We got out and caught a couple nice bass, and we're just finishing off, frying them up, fish and potatoes. Thanks for watching this video. Click subscribe and go over to Jordan the Outdoorsman on Instagram and check out his footage as well. He's got some additional footage from this 3-night trip in northern Ontario. Just
Try to
amazing.
post more.
Yeah, post more.
And get out more.
Get out more. Take care.